Hi everybody, thanks for watching. We're at an apartment building that we own, and we're in one of the apartments that we're about to show, but I realized I forgot to change the shower head because this one has become all corroded. But what I wanted to show you was one simple life DIY hack that for a few pennies we can get this thing operating and looking like new. So if you want to save money to increase the efficiency and beauty of your shower head, get the flow back to normal, this is how you do it. I think these are hand tightened. Yep, this is a plastic one. When you have plastic fixtures, it doesn't make them necessarily really cheap, but you just can't tighten them with a wrench. You gotta hand tighten them. So we're gonna undo this one. Actually, I'm gonna tighten it back up to show you the flow first. Let's turn the flow off. So not bad, really, but you can see in the middle a fair amount of trickle that's not coming through all the holes. Okay, I turned on the flash so you can see a little bit better for the light. So you're just going to undo this, and then with a glass bowl or a plastic bowl that's deep enough to entirely submerge this shower head, we're going to add this to some vinegar. That's the secret. The vinegar has a 5% typical, maybe 6% if it's cleaning vinegar, acetic acid in it, and that will eat away all that white stuff, which is basically just calcium deposits from minerals in normal city water here, and most anywhere in the U.S. Depends on your geography a little bit, but all that is going to be eaten away over the course of about 24 hours. So you leave it in overnight, maybe a day, and you'll be good as new. Or you can go buy one for 10 bucks and hook it up. That works too, but I like to use 10 cents a product. Okay, let's go do that. Hey everybody, we're back. I want to show you how simple it is to get this thing, which is very crusty and very kind of gross looking right now, looking like new, grody on all sides. Two things you're going to need. You're going to need a container that will fit this thing so it'll be entirely submerged. So I'm going to use this 1 quart Pyrex dish just because it fits the whole head in there nicely. And this is just some regular distilled white vinegar. It's 5%. This is what cooking vinegar is, and it costs about $2 for a gallon. We're going to use a quart of it, so 50 cents worth of this. And actually you can use the vinegar for something else afterwards, for cleaning if you'd like. The other thing you might need, if this is a plastic shower head like this is, it may float, so you may need something like glass on top, a coffee mug or something, to submerge it underneath the vinegar, so all the acid gets rid of all those deposits. But right now you can see it's starting to bubble a little bit, and it's already going to work. I have time to leave this overnight, so I'm gonna leave this overnight, and we'll let the stuff get really clean. The only other thing I think you might need is like an old, if you have a toothbrush that you use for cleaning stuff, not the ones for your teeth, you might have to agitate, with the bristles a little bit to scrub this, but let's let the vinegar do the work for now. Here's a view from the top, and you can see all these bubbles going to work here on all of those deposits. So that is a good sign that the vinegar is getting to work right away. All right, here we are. It's a little bit over a day later. I put saran wrap over this just because the smell was a little stinky. It is vinegar after all. And this is the final product. This morning I did use a soft copper brush and wipe this off because it had a little more residue and I soaked it more. But the difference is pretty amazing between yesterday and today. It looks almost like a brand new one coming out of the store. I'll take this over to the apartment. We'll put it in and I'll do a quick video showing the spray pattern out of here. But for literally 30 or 40 cents of vinegar, I can save a shower head. It could be a $10 shower head or a $100 shower head. It doesn't matter. It's still going to fix it. So periodically you want to do these when you have hard water. Okay, here we are at the apartment again. I've got my cleaned up shower head. I'm just going to go ahead and thread it back on by hand because it is a plastic one. I did not put any more Teflon sealant in there, so you might get a little bit of leak around there, but this is more for demonstration. Okay. There we go. I'm going to back up a little bit so we don't get the camera wet. And I'll zoom in, but let's see how this works. Fantastic. A little blow by in the back there. I need to put some Teflon in there, but the stream itself is very nice. Hey, I hope this helps. For save a lot of money, and for just pennies, get things working like new. If this helps you and you like my video, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.